Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This video I will show you how to share screen on Google Meet. So recently I found my client that unable to share his screen, not because of his laptop has a trouble, but because he didn't know how to doing that. Actually, it's very simple to do. If you want to share screen your laptop, you just click this one, as you can see. This is the share screen. You can click this one and then you can select present your entire screen or a window or a tab. So uh, for for complete solution you can click this your entire screen, because if a window or a tab, it will not showing all your screen, maybe confusion between you and your partner in meeting. So I can click this your entire screen, and then my client last night, he just click this one and it's unable to click. As you can see, this is gray color, and the thing is because he didn't click the screen first. You have to click the screen, you can click this one, and then you can click this share. After that, wait for a while. For that, I've already shared my screen. See, I can stop presenting or ignore and so on. Okay, that's it. It's very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you should, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.